Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the Maltese gift in Heartopia game during the Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to find the Maltese Trough, and you can find it at the first island right here. And then you're going to fill the trough with Maltese food. You can feed the maltis with all this food. Okay, and after that you're going to interact with maltis and increase the bond level with maltis. Okay, and let me open up the animals menu. Okay, and then you can get the maltese gift after you interact with them. Okay, and now I'm gonna claim my gift. You will get like sign if the gift is ready. Okay, and this is how the gift looks like, just like the other animals gift. I'm gonna claim it. Oh, I got apples. Okay guys, and that's how you can get Maltese gift in Heartopia during the Maltese event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.